Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm at a dog walking area, but it's not just for dogs, it's for people to go and enjoy the countryside, have a nice walk around. But look what some little tow rag or tow rags have done to the main entrance signs. I mean, come on, it's shocking. It's just mindless vandalism. So I'm here to clean it for free. I can get rid of this easily and I'm going to do it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So sensitive graffiti remover is required on this because I don't want to damage the actual board itself. So yeah, don't want to damage that. So look at this, look at that. Oh, I mean, look, I know they'll argue we want to express ourselves. Okay, we'll go and find an area that's designated for it. Don't vandalise areas like this. So yeah, and that bit there. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, that's come off pretty well. I mean, look, it says this site is privately owned. Now, they don't collect any money at the gate or anything. This is all free. This is a free area to come. So I don't think it's fair that they have to then pay for graffiti removal, because look, I'm not going to lie to you, it's expensive. So I mean, this is a place I come, my wife comes here, my dogs come here. Yeah. So look, I just thought I'd do everyone a favour, the landowners, the public, and get rid of this. I'm in a position where I can do it for free, so I'm going to do it for free. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, right, this is much tougher than expected. It normally comes off quite easily, but this is really struggling. All I've got with me today is 5 wipes. I've used 4 just to do that, and there's that one there and that one there. So that one's half used up. I've got another fresh one in my pocket, so I reckon I'll get this one done, but I will have to come back and do that on another time when I've got some time. But these are the main 2 ones which I wanted to get done, so I'm happy with that. I'll let the trustees know by email that I will be back. All I can do now is this one. Last wipe. Sorry I had more than these. I'm so badly organised sometimes. But hey ho. Okay, I hope you can hear me. I'm amidst all this wind. That is the last wipe, and it's completely and utterly spent. It's not perfect. I haven't managed to get all of it off on this one, but it's good enough, I would say. I mean, at least people can see what it is now. Because obviously, look, as you can see, they do lock the gate. Sometimes you can get caught out by these. I nearly happened to pass myself because I hadn't noticed that side. So, hopefully, no one's going to get stuck in it. They can now read the sign. Okay, guys, that's me done. I don't know what's going on. It's like there's a storm's just arrived, but yeah, crazy. Anyway, so I'm a little bit gutted. I wanted to get all 1, 2, 3, 4 areas done. I've only managed to do 3 because I've run out of graffiti removal wipes, so I'm going to have to order some more of them. But I'm also going to go and look for my graffiti remover, sensitive graffiti remover chemical as well, because I do have it. I know I have, but my little yard is it's like organised chaos. So we're gonna have a good look for it anyway. So let me turn you around and show you what I've done. So unfortunately there does appear to be a little bit of ghosting. The problem is with these some of these chemicals, these spray paints, they can damage this sort of plastic lacquer that's on the signs. So unfortunately there's not much you can do about that. You can't really see it because it's wet, but I mean look, you can now read them. They look good. People aren't going to get locked in because they can't read that sign. So yeah, happy days. My wife will be happy. I'll be getting a steak dinner tonight for sure. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.